Well, I got hurt at my job about August of 2012, and I broke my ankle in 4 different places. I put 2 slip discs in my back at the same time. My right ankle, my left ankle hurts worse than my right ankle because I done put so much pressure on it. I had a fixator in my leg. You know what a fixator is? It's a metal rod. It had hoops going through my ankle. I mean, right in here, and the metal rod coming up the side. You see these bars? They had screws staying in my leg, and I was down. I was on crutches for about 8 months. I done had 10 surgeries in the past 8 years. Going on 8 years. August will be 8 years. Since then, Scott has helped me get my Social Security, helped me get my workman's comp check going on. If I had been on my own, I probably wouldn't even got a quarter of what I got. Probably know I wouldn't have got my Social Security right off the bat. It'd probably take me years to get that. And I wasn't making much at my job at that point in time. I was making like $9 an hour. And during that period of time, Scott hurried up and got me my workman's comp check started. So I wouldn't be without no income at all coming in. Like I said, Scott does help. You know, like I said, I can be making me and him than anybody. He does a good job of helping you, no matter what you do, or what you're going through, should I say. He's honest with you about everything. He helps you do the paperwork, you know, that you need to do. He sets the doctors up like it should be. When it's time to go to court, he lets me know at least 2 or 3 days ahead of time. They done sent me a letter maybe about a whole month before then. So I already know when I got to go to court and everything. Sometimes I have to go in the courtroom, don't even have to go in the courtroom, just be at the courthouse, you know. But I'm just there just in case I do have to go. The attorney that I had before, I had 2 of them before. And the attorneys I had before, they didn't handle my businesses like they should have. I ended up having to make my own doctor's appointment to go to the doctor. They took in and the lawyers that I had before, they sent me a bunch of paperwork that I had to fill out myself and send it to the courthouse. A couple other things. When I got hurt, they didn't hurry up and try to get me no kind of compensation at all. It took me months to get some compensation doing them. During the time that I was there, hurt at home, they didn't even call and check on me, but nothing like that. There's a lot of stuff, like I said, Scott would help. A lot of lawyers will not do for you. So I would recommend it to anybody. I've been dealing with him now, since 2013. Like I said, he helped me out a whole lot. I didn't have to be worried about going to the doctors. He made my doctor's appointment, and when I got to go to court, he set that up. And before I was getting my money, he helps me get my money right on time, like he should. I took in and when I was working, and like I said, I wasn't making much money. As soon as I got hurt, they didn't even send me to the doctor. It took me about 3 weeks before they actually operated, or 2.5, before they actually went and fixed my foot. And as soon as I got Scott here, and got me into a doctor's office and had my foot operated on. I feel like Scott was a good man as far as my personal well-being, trying to help me out with my physical and my mental. And like I said, with my doctors and lawyers and everything else that he helps me with. He calls me and checks on me, at least about once a month, and see how I'm doing. See, I make my doctor's appointment and see how everything going. If I have any problem, like I said, I had a problem with my workman's comp here. Them workman's comp paying my medical bills, and he had it up and got that straightened out real quick for me. So he helps me out a whole lot. Yes, he does.